Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faris Fahmi bin Mawazir, and today I would like to present my second board for GIS in landscape architecture, which is lab exercise 02. It is about working with spatial data. Firstly, I will introduce what is lab exercise 02. Lab exercise 02 is a learning process about spatial data, which includes spatial data, geometric transformation, geoprocessing, and digitizing. In this exercise, we will learn a bit advanced than the lab exercise 01, which only teach about basic tools and features. Tutorial 5.5, learning vector data format. It is about we export the data from CAD drawing, and also we can import the data from CAD drawings. And next is the tutorial 5.6, which is exploring raster-based maps. It is about raster a base map by using base map features, and from there we can choose which base map that we want to use. And next is task 3, which is transform image to map. Okay, for this one, we learn about how to connect two objects by using the control points, and we create it by linking the intersection between two objects. And next one is tutorial 6.1. It is about extracting features, which is we extract boundaries and remove the external boundaries. And tutorial 6.2, we are clipping features, which is we cleanly cut off the external boundaries that to make it clean cut. And tutorial 7.1 is about digitizing polygon features, which is we learn how to make a polygon. And next one is tutorial 7.2. We learn how to digitizing line features. We make lines and we can spot numbers and points. Lastly, it is tutorial 7.3, which is digitizing point features. And for the tutorial 7.4, we're using advanced editing tools, which is we can trace tool, cut polygon tools, we can use smooth tool and generalize tools. And lastly, tutorial 7.5, we learn about how to spatially adjusting features. For the conclusion, in my opinion, lab exercise 02 is a good chance for having a better understanding about how to work with spatial data. Since the geographic information system is updated, it will surely make work easier. Thank you.
Tutorial, we are trying to adding data, which is curve arc and polygon puzzle. First, we click on the add data, and then we search for is liberty, and then we choose curve, and then add arc. Okay, and then next we click again add data, and then we search for is liberty, and then we search for parcel, and lastly add polygon. Tutorial, we are trying to change symbols, and we are trying to add a variety of base map. Okay, first we move the existing base map. It might take time, and then we can click the symbol. We can change the color, the outline color. Okay, and then we change it from yellow to red, and then next we will add a base map. We click file and then click add data and then add base map. Okay, it might take a while because if your computer is not compatible enough, it will take time. And then you choose the variety of base map. After it's finished loading, your base map will pop up like this. Okay, and lastly, we are trying to select by location and change its symbol. First, we click on selection, and then we click select by location, and then we make sure our target layer and everything is on the right path, and then we click apply. Okay, and then we click on the facility. We click export data, and then we export the data and name it as Lower East Side facility. Then click save and then click OK. So the Lower East Side facility will pop up. We can change the symbol. First we click the circle 2 and then change its color from green to red. Okay, and then we set up the size and we click OK. Lastly, we will clear the selection by click on clear selection features.